Start off by preparing your asparagus. Cut in half. Slice a sweet potato into round discs, thinner than this. Next, slice up your pumpkin, nice and thin, and set aside. Next, measure out 500 ml of chilled water, done with the ladle, and crack in an egg. Now gently mix. Then add in a bowl. Add in 500 grams of flour, easy does it, and sift so it's fluffy, like freshly fall snow. Keep this in a separate bowl. Now add half of the flour, and we will ever so gently combine. You want lumps in this mixture, and touch more flour. Don't mix too much, and the batter is ready. Heat up the oil to 180 degrees. Now cook one piece at a time. First with flour, then the batter, straight into the oil. The more things you add, the temperature drops. So keep an eye on the thermometer, and adjust the heat if needed. Cook until golden. Fry everything up the same way. And you're done. Taste time. Into the salt and dip. Get all the sides. Shake off the excess. Itadakimasu. So crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Maitake mushrooms, my favorite. Definitely try this tempura if you can. Let me know how you go. Till next time.